Alright, what we got here is the ATC Syndicate Intermediate class. Bunch of people running around at Spyder MX. This track is no longer in existence. It was sold, bought, redone, and I guess disassembled. I'm not quite sure. I just know that there is no longer a Spyder MX or anything like that. This was a hell of a track. Had a lot of fun on it. I am not in this race. I didn't play any intermediate class. I played in pro class. These jumps were a lot of fun. This track was a good hard packed track. Lots of huge jumps. Lots and lots of fun. The memories that you make when you go out and you do some neat stuff. They told us we'd never put trikes back on a motocross track. We did it down here in Florida big time. Absolutely had a blast doing it too. Had a hell of a run. Still racing down here actually. Circle track, flat track, TT, and motocross. Throw a comment down there tell me what your favorite brand is. If you got a favorite bike, trike, quad. Hit that subscribe button. We got a bunch more content. Go ahead and look through the channel. Builds, races, track runs, all kinds of neat stuff on the channel. Check it out. Really appreciate everybody. We're going to finish up here. Get some last minute jumps and stuff in and call it a day. Really appreciate the views. Y'all have a great day.